What exactly is a low-carb diet, and how does it help with type 2 diabetes? There's a lot of confusion out there. Some say it's too restrictive, others call it a miracle. In this video, we'll break down what low-carb really means, how it helps regulate blood sugar, and how to get started without giving up delicious food. Stay with me because by the end you'll know how to make low-carb work for your lifestyle. A low-carb diet means eating fewer carbohydrates than typical, especially cutting back on sugar, bread, pasta, rice, and processed foods. Instead, you focus on non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, proteins such as fish, eggs, poultry, tofu, and natural whole foods. There's no single definition, but many people aim for around 50 to 100 grams of carbs per day or even less. It's not about no carbs, it's about smart carbs. Let's talk about what happens when you eat fewer carbs. Your body produces less insulin, reducing insulin resistance. You avoid blood sugar spikes, especially after meals. Your liver produces less glucose, improving fasting levels, and over time your insulin sensitivity improves. Studies show that low-carb diets can reduce A1C levels, lower fasting glucose, decrease medication dependence, help with weight loss, which also improves insulin function. A 2021 review in Nutrition concluded that low-carb diets significantly reduce HbA1c and body weight in people with type 2 diabetes. The Virta Health study showed that after 1 year on a low-carb diet, 60% of participants reversed their diabetes and reduced or eliminated medications. The Diabetes UK low-carb program found that participants improved blood glucose and lost weight within just a few months. This isn't fringe. It's evidence-based and increasingly accepted. Start by removing ultra-processed carbs, white bread, sugary drinks, pastries, cereals. Fill your plate with leafy greens, eggs, fish like salmon or sardines, courgettes, peppers, mushrooms, avocados, seeds and nuts. Swap bread for lettuce wraps or egg wraps, pasta for courgette or cauliflower rice, and crisps for olives, boiled eggs or cheese cubes. Pro tip, you don't need to be perfect. Start with one low-carb meal a day and build from there. Low-carb means no energy. Not true. Your body adapts and burns fat more efficiently. You can't eat fruit. You can. Berries are low glycemic and full of fiber. It's too restrictive. With the right recipes, low-carb is full of flavor and variety. It's not a diet. It's a long-term approach to food that supports your body's natural balance. For many people with type 2 diabetes, low-carb isn't just helpful, it's life-changing. It helps you stabilize blood sugar, reduce medications, and in many cases, even reach remission. Have you tried low-carb before? What helped you stick to it? Subscribe for weekly videos that support natural, holistic diabetes care. See you in the next one.